Ooh, how can I turn this around? Hey, hey. There we go. Just so y'all know, I don't have time. I don't have time to pre-record. So I came on here quickly to say that the judge blasted Orange Marquette a new one. Absolutely a new one. Okay? He on his way back to jail. He thought he was slick. He thought he had the judge in the palm of his hands. He was up here asking for special privileges. And the judge said, I heard your ass has been, hello, hey y'all, come in. I'm just real quick because I didn't have time to do a pre-recorded message. So I just wanted y'all to know that the judge says, nicka. How dare you do an interview? You popping your gums like you all of that in the bag chips. You were supposed to be in court yesterday. You did not come because you was thinking that you were so important and that you was getting these special messages. Welcome to the live show. Hey, y'all, come on in. That you was getting these special privileges and you thought you was special. You was popping your collar like you was Steve Harvey, like you is really the shit. So guess what? Guess what? Let me let y'all hear this. Let me see if I can play it. Let me rewind on y'all. Let's go. Come on. Play. And cut it up.
Asking me to review your bond conditions. And before we could ever do that, I get a message from a concerned citizen that you're
she was mad.
Interviews. Whether you're talking about this case or not, you're doing interviews. And the court
look at that game face.
That you feel free enough to do interviews. Because what could be happening is that you could be in jail.
Mm-hmm.
And it's
locked up. They won't let you out.
You there. But you've been given the opportunity.
Let's do that again.
Like the fact that you feel free enough to do interviews. Because what could be happening is that you could be in jail. And it's a whole lot easier to supervise you there.
Can y'all believe this?
You've been given the opportunity to post a bond with bond conditions, and you're not doing those things you need to do.
You on your way back to jail, sir.
We're going to review those bond conditions on March the 1st.
Can y'all hear?
But let me make myself extremely
She said, can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
That you are to not have any interviews with anybody for any reason.
You ain't special.
Your attorney has assured me that nothing was said about this case in that interviews. And I have no reason not to believe what he told me was true. But like I said, you should not be interviewing with anyone. You should not be making any public statements, and you should be in the house. That means not going to anybody's funeral. Put your hand down.
He tried to go to the funeral.
That means not going to funerals or anywhere else. That means in the house as of right now. And about you not showing up on yesterday or showing up and then leaving because your counsel thought it was appropriate to allow you to go home because you were getting a barrage of phone calls.
Like you special.
When you're supposed to be here, you're supposed to be here.
Hey.
Were you not on my docket yesterday? You were supposed to be here. Bottom line.
Period.
Like I said, you are supposed to be here. Whether your attorney is here or not, you should be here.
Get your ass to court, nigga. You ain't special.
You understand what house arrest means as of this point? I'll see you back here on March the 1st, sir.
Ooh, I need to take off.
we won't even have to have this conversation.
Oh, hold on. What she say? Let me hush. Oh, hold on.
And thank you guys
Hold on,
for
y'all.
staying up late with us here at the Factor on City.
Stop. I need to go back and hear that. Hey, y'all. Hey. I need to go back.
Mr. Govan, I don't have to tell you how serious these charges are. I know I don't even have to go back through.
Yeah, he forgot.
Okay. I also shouldn't have to remind you that you're out on a bond.
Can y'all believe this?
That and the court has put you under some real serious or some real tight.
Yeah, she tired of his shit, Kevin. He tried this with Coffee, y'all remember? And Coffee told him don't come in there asking for nothing special. He thought it was slick.
And playing fast and loose.
Fast and loose.
And I don't like that. You have filed a motion through your attorney.
Like you special.
Asking me to review your bond conditions.
Hey, Cooley.
And before we could ever do that, I get a message from a concerned citizen.
Can y'all hit the like button for me, please?
Whether you're
doing interviews.
This case or not, you're doing interviews. And the
thank you, Stan G.
That you feel free enough to do interviews.
Watch her mouth get ganked. Nigga.
Because what could be happening is that you could be in jail.
Yeah. Locked up.
And it's a whole lot easier to supervise you there. But you've been given the opportunity to post a bond with bond conditions, and you're not doing those things you need to do.
Absolutely. And you a threat out on these streets.
We're going to review those bond conditions on March the 1st. But let me make myself extremely clear to you.
Nicole, you on your way back.
You are to not have any interviews with anybody for any reason. Your attorney has assured me that nothing was said about this case in that interview.
Come on.
I have no reason not to believe what he told me was true. But like I said, you should not be interviewing with anyone. You should not be making any public.
Hey y'all, can y'all hit the like button for Auntie P?
That means not going to anybody's funeral. Put your hand down. You're speaking through your attorney at this point. That means
I don't want to hear
not
you.
Funerals or anywhere else. That means in the house as of right now.
Yes, ma'am.
And about you not showing up on yesterday or showing up and then leaving because your counsel thought it was.
Fix your face. Fix your face.
Because you were getting a barrage of phone calls. That's neither here nor there. When you're supposed to be here, you're supposed to be here. Were you not on my docket yesterday?
Yes,
You were supposed to be here. Bottom line.
I thought I was. He instructed me not to come.
Like I said, you are supposed to be here.
No
Whether
excuses.
Your attorney is here or not, you should be here.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand what house arrest means as of this point?
Yes, ma'am.
She chin checked him, didn't she?
Please don't give me any reason to revoke this bond. Then we won't even have to have this conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
March 1st.
Okay, y'all, I'll be back. Woo-hoo, I will be back. Oh, I don't know how to end this. Bye, y'all. Thanks for coming through. Hit the like button on the way out if you don't mind. I would greatly appreciate it. Bye, Kevin, and bye, Cooley. Mwah.